Hi guys, and welcome to this part 2 on how to start carding. Today I'll teach y'all how to drop checks, or in other words, how to take a nigga bank log's infos to impersonate them and then make checks to your name from his bank. Before we start with that, though, make sure you go check out my other video on carding where I explain how to clone a credit card not even getting up your couch, or my catfish tutorials. Now that we got that out of the way, I want to start by saying that everything I explain in this video is for entertainment purposes only, and I'm not responsible for whatever you do with the info I'm going to give you. So first of all, you got to get to the dark web through Tor browser and go to any site that sells social security numbers, or for short, SSNs. You can look for one yourself, but 85% of all sites you see online are just scams. So if you want to save a couple $100s and keep your personal info from getting stolen on the dark web, you can get a complete guide on my Discord on how to drop checks from start to finish for only $150, which compared to the price that others offer is much more than reasonable. So join up. After you got the SSN, you got to create a new and fake account in a small bank outside your town, which will be your burner one, meaning that the money you steal will go to that account, so never use your name or any of your personal details when creating it to make it harder to catch you. I still recommend you create a new account every couple of months to reduce the risk as well. Now that you have the SSN and a burner account, you just gotta log into the bank account with the logs you just bought and make a check for your fake bank account. Now you can do whatever you want with the victim's money. Whether you want to withdraw it or if you want to buy stuff online, you decide. And there you have a quick and complete guide on how to start dropping checks. Before I close the video though, I would like to say that this stuff is not for beginners. And if you never tried it, I recommend you start with cloning cards, which is a lot easier and is much harder to get caught with. If you have any question about the video, join the Discord in the description to talk privately with me and to ask me anything. Frozone's out.